And the race is on its good start for number 3, the favorite, Unequal. My Jopeng, Danori inside, Invincible from the outside. And racing in third, Ferrari 1 rushing up, so it's you, Leon Face. Unequal is racing 6 by Darrell. Then comes Grand Homer. And Hurricane Ali is the early trailer by about 8 to 9 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader. Entry number 7, Invincible, followed by So It's You from the outside. Leon Face is done on the inside. Third, My Jopeng. Unequal, still running in 6 by about 2 lengths. And rounding the far turn, 1A, So It's You by a neck. Invincible down on the inside. Leon Face is running in third. Ferrari 1 also rising up. And Unequal is running in fifth as they race the final corner. So with you, Invincible once again by Darrell. And on the outside, rushing up is Unequal, Ferrari 1. So with you, Invincible running down on the inside. But still, so with you. And by Darrell, Invincible and Unequal. Entering the finish line, the icebreaker 1A, so it's you, Unequal. Invincible, Hurricane Ali, and number 5, Ferrari 1.
Okay, 1-3 ang